So this is my amazing lunch today, and we're at the AbiliTea Café. Hi guys.
हम लोग एक साथ scientific life kids have various neurodevelopmental issues. We're getting them used to depth.
Yeah.
So now there's a music class. And he's learning how to
Doesn't stress them all the time.
No. So he's learning how to balance also. So he's just learning how to put things in his
I think he's
life.
really stressed.
We had an art exhibition 3-4 months ago. So this is a sneak preview.
विष्णु इसको करना पड़ेगा हाँ थोड़ा सा डीप करो हाँ
ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग कर रहा है
Very nice. मुझे सिखाओगे?
जी मैम फिर उसके बाद इस जगह हाथ रखिए
हाँ.
ये वाला जो है
हाँ.
लेफ्ट साइड है
हाँ.
अब उसके बाद ठोकिए ऐसा करके अब फिर उस
मेरा कितना गंदा है आपको
Thank you guys. I like how all teams have to stress one time. Coordination.
Yeah. কি প্যাক করছে এখানে?
জিরা বিস্কিট
জিরা বিস্কিট? Fruit biscuit.
করছে না cupcake করছে?
Muffin. That looks yummy.
Everything
amazing.
that happens in this food unit is their contribution.
Such a lovely place to be. I've had a good time with them downstairs also right now.
Yeah, these are what you're going to get
I know
for
they're
lunch.
making this for me, by the way. So what are we having for lunch? We're having papri chaat. This is an egg roll, pizza. আমার তো দেখেই খিদে পাচ্ছে। Even I can't roll it like that, you know. Can I see what's inside? Salad, a sauce.
Paper, then books, and even games. Actually, we listed at the back over there.
Wrapping
Games
paper,
over there.
amazing.
And then jewelry. Everything is from their artwork, and no jewelry actually is not from their art. They make by hand.
This is handmade by them. So this is handmade jewelry by them. And look at these cards. This is all available. Then there is snacks also. Oh, there are bags.
There are bags that they made. And this is a memory game that they have made. So everything is 2-2, and it's their artwork. This is a jigsaw puzzle based on their artwork.
Amazing, amazing. There are notebooks, pouches, then there's gift bags, cups, and there's Rakhi also. Because Rakhi is coming. Amazing.
Another one there.
Look like Batman. Now we're going to have lunch. Time to eat lunch. Hello. Namaste. Good afternoon. I'm so hungry. What are we eating? What is for lunch? What is for lunch? Great. My mother's student. Yes. And then we have pizza.
This is vada pav.
And this is vada pav. There is pizza. My God. Otaki.
Ma'am, this is Manchurian.
That is Manchurian. Papri chaat. Spring rolls. And noodles. Vada pav. This is better than the Bombay one. I like this bun more. Pizza. So nice, guys. Will you give me this recipe for my channel?
I think you should let Rishi come and try.
Very nice. Thank you. So they also make Chinese. Did I see a spring roll?
Yes, and the
Did I see a spring roll? Huh. Yummy. Oh, everything actually tastes so good. This is so good. We have brownie and ice cream. I don't know about all of you, but I love a good custard. It's got cake underneath also.
Otherwise, we can give you biscuits. We can give you
This is the menu at AbiliTea Café. Do come and check it out. It is amazing food, good quality food. It's open from 9 to 4. Come and have lunch here. This is a part of Manovikas Kendra.